This is a brilliant blue day today. We're on our way to the Tin Muffin Cafe for a late lunch. We drove here from Palm Beach. Now we're ready to chow.
I'd like just water, please.
You want to do regular or raspberry?
Regular. Yeah, we probably needed something like this compared to what I was thinking about. Salad looks pretty good. Did you get the vinaigrette or did you get the mustard? Oh, you got the vinaigrette. Okay. I like my food.
I like this, Jim.
You do?
It's got like a lemon or a citrus taste to it.
So lemon or citrus in a blueberry?
Uh-huh.
I like my muffin too, actually. Tin Muffin has it going. Nice kitchen.
Jim, this is one of the owners.
Hey.
How you doing? I told him.
Oh, okay. If you want to check us out, pull up Tidy Island on YouTube right now.
No, he wants. I said if you want to talk to him, he's been here for
A few
20
questions?
Absolutely.
Okay, sure. Hey, Jim here. I'm with the owner of the Tin Muffin, or one of the owners, and his name is?
Phillip.
Hey, Phillip. I come down to Boca, low expectations. I walk into a place. I wanted to go to the banana boat. My wife was busy, and she said, you got to try the Tin Muffin. Sure.
We make everything from
He
scratch.
said he's been here for 28 years.
You've been 28 years?
We've had this for 28 years.
Okay, what I'm really curious about, overhead's low. You could have gone first watch, had a big space or something, but tell me, keep the overhead low, and do you own your own building, or what's the story there?
It's work.
Uh-huh.
We don't do breakfast. We don't do dinner. We only do lunch 11 to 4 Monday through
Oh,
Saturday.
You don't do
We do
breakfast.
not. No. So we're strictly a lunch business. I think we're the only lunch business in a 500-mile radius.
Probably. And most of them do lunch and breakfast.
Right, breakfast, lunch, or lunch, dinner.
Well, this is wonderful. We'll highly recommend it.
And then did you see these?
oh, no, what's going on?
This is our banana cake. It's 3 layers of banana cake, fresh sliced banana.
Sure.
And a buttercream icing, our homemade carrot cake. And then just a really good old-fashioned chocolate chip.
That's great. Now, human interest. Did a family member create the muffin recipe, or is that a family secret?
That my business partner used to have a muffin business when he was like 21 years old.
Oh, okay. Great.
Muffins were delicious.
So he had a lot to do with that, but we've just experimented over the
Okay.
years.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh, how cool is this? So one thing that I kind of like more than anything at the Tin Muffin is this patriotic, wild, imaginative bathroom. Directly across from the kitchen. I see like strobe lighting, loud rock music, intimate antiques, and accessories. This place is a lot of fun. I just love the bathroom here. There's a lot of character. I went in thinking this was going to be a bland bathroom, but here they have strobe light, music, decorations, and antiques. Hey, let me show it to you. So here's the bathroom at the Tin Muffin. Strobe lights, black lights, porcelain, of course, original artwork, sculptures, statues, it's rock music. This place is wild. So they just brought us our bill. Salads for $17.95, but they're very tasty and generous portions.
Great muffin.
It came with a great muffin too. A little citrusy, says Janine. But anyway, I'm satisfied with this. I kind of like the intimate atmosphere. Your go-to place for breakfast or an early brunch here in Boca. Hey, so if you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and comment.